Sang'wen Otieno.
Machiegni kendo jogo manigi ng'ol mar winjo wach sani ywak ne piny owacho ni ok gisebedo ka giyudo kony korka puonj weche mag ngima mag dak kaluwore gi onge mar jolok negi wach. Giwacho ni kata bed ni giyachopo e rombe ma kamago, githoro anono nikech ng'ama dilok negi wechego bedo maonge. Kane giloso e boma ma Embu, ne giwacho ni gikale kinde matek nimar kata ka gidwa go lipote ka polis e wi rocho ratiro margi e wi bembo to gi mamoko, to githoro bedo gi kinde matek mokalo nikech ng'ama dilos negigo bila onge. Bende gilero ni kata mana kuonde somo maonge jolok wach bedo nigi matek mokalo dhi nyime gi sombegi.
So we have a lot of problems to solve them. To solve these problems, it's very hard for us. So us as deaf community, we have to thank the desk who are giving awareness to the county government to create this awareness and get more knowledge about sign language so that we can eradicate communication barriers in between the hearing and the deaf people. The community should learn sign language so that they can help the deaf people to access information and to communicate well with the deaf people.
In terms of developing of the CIDP and the annual development plans, we want deaf people and persons with disability to be involved when in the designing of the annual development plan and the CIDP, as well as in the monitoring of the same. Also, in terms of budgetary allocations, persons with disability should have a special component of the budget that is set aside for them. In terms of the healthcare workers, we would wish and we request that the county government sets aside funds to capacity build healthcare workers and, if possible, designate health facilities that are disability and deaf friendly so that we can be able to have equity in terms of access to healthcare services.
Kawadhi nyime ni